Did you know eating this boosts mood? Eating colorful fruits and vegetables can lift your mood. Foods like berries, oranges, and leafy greens are rich in vitamins and minerals. These nutrients help our body and mind feel good. Try adding one colorful fruit or vegetable to each meal. For breakfast, you can toss berries into yogurt, and for lunch, add colorful bell peppers to your salad. Dinner, try roasted sweet potatoes or carrots. Notice how these yummy foods can brighten your day. Small changes in your meals can make you feel better and happier. Start today.